What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. Today, I'm going to be breaking down my Lotto Friday, talking to you about how to use the fibs to short, as well as this play I took on Intel. So if you're ready, let's step into the war zone. So first and foremost, guys, we need to go back to the daily chart to understand why I wanted to trade Intel. So Intel was one of our daily picks right here. I post these every single night, and I was able to make $1,460 on this play, shorting 2,059 shares. So I did this all automated. So this was a fully automated trade. So let me just hit the replay so I can walk you through. So if we look at the pattern we had yesterday, we had a holy grail. And the holy grail, if we look in the past, right here on the 12th of April, right after that, we had a sell-off. So what I'm looking here with this holy grail is I'm saying, okay, maybe we can have the same type of volatility. So let's go down now to the 5-minute chart and let me show you how I entered the trade. So the first thing we have to do is get our trigger. Our trigger was 44.03. So let me go ahead and draw that in for you. 44.03 right there. All right. First candle comes in and fills us right away. So we did take a little bit of heat on this trade. It did go against us for the first 5 minutes. And then we had this inside bar, guys, and boom, check this out. That's all she wrote. So that's a beautiful, beautiful trade. I held this into the close. Very, very, very nice and very clean. So what happens now if you miss the entry? So let's say you didn't get in for whatever reason. Maybe you were waiting for something. That's totally fine. Well, the next best thing is to use the Fibonacci. And let me just focus on the afternoon leg. That's what I want to focus on today, because I think that's the easiest one for new traders to grasp. So you could see here, guys, this is around lunchtime. So around 12 o'clock, we have a high and a low. So we have a defined high and low. So here's your high, here's your low. And if you notice here, guys, the first push was down. So what we do here is we're looking to continue in the direction of this move down using the fibs. So when we came back into the 618 here, guys, you'll see that we had a waterfall. So what is a waterfall? It means that none of these lows on these candles were broken until this doji. And the funny thing is this doji lines up exactly with our trigger entry at 44.03. So that was beautiful play right there, guys. So if you miss that push, you get back in on the fib in the afternoon, and that was a beautiful sell-off. Those are easily, 100+% on the option premiums for sure. Okay, so let's continue here, guys. Now let me go ahead and pull up the Discord. So I just want to show you guys that we have the stock plans here. I post them. So Intel was posted yesterday right here, with the full short plan, targets and stop losses and options if you are looking for that. Let's move on to SPY. So I will say in the morning, SPY gave me a headache. I started off with the opening range breakout this morning, and you can see that I got trapped. We broke out slightly and then we sold off, and I just took a stop loss right away on SPY. So the morning was not good to me at all, but we ended up drawing the afternoon leg. And oops, let me get rid of this thing here. So let me go ahead and pull up the afternoon leg. So the afternoon leg right here, guys, is right here in our Fibonacci live setup. So we drew our afternoon leg in. This was for all of our members. And let me go ahead and draw it for you right now. So same kind of concept. Around lunchtime here, we have our high and we have our low. And notice here, my friends, look, this one was perfect. It came into the 786 and the same waterfall action. And when we got to the 786, the trend changed because now all of a sudden we started breaking the lows of the candle. So that's a great way to enter into the play as well. And just to recap on that one for SPY, that those options right there, the 412 puts, the zero DTE went for 150% from that 786. So what I'm trying to show you here, guys, is an easy way to get into some of these plays is just kind of waiting for the afternoon when you have a clear direction. So this is a clear move down, and you're using the afternoon leg to get into the trade after the fact. Okay. So I hope that makes sense. Please let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this. So quick recap today, guys. As always, check me out at tradingwars.com if you're interested in what I do. You can trade with us live on Monday. Grab any one of the books, study up on the weekend, and you get 1 month for free. All right. Otherwise than that, my friends, SPY, the morning was rough. And then we caught the afternoon. Intel was my big play. Thank you very much for your time. And I will see you on Sunday for our SPY recap for all of the trades on the week. Thank you so much, my friends. Take care.